Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers group here with my review of Xena, which launches on the 26th of June at 11 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review, I'm going to go through this great new release from the Digital Dames, who are without doubt the most sassy internet marketing threesome out there right now, bringing out some really cool and interesting products, and Xena absolutely continues that trend. So for those of you that have been put off using social media before for your marketing, in particular the big one, yes, Facebook, this is going to be a transformative product, because not only is exceptional training, it also gives you a software tool that is going to automate a lot of the work for you. So if that sounds out like really cool and you want to finally start earning money from that platform, which is of course the biggest on the planet, then listen on to this review. I'll also go through the 10 congruent custom bonuses that I've put together if you pick up Xena from the link immediately underneath this review. There are 10 of them. You can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons here any time before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they'll expire. And of course I don't want that to happen because they are custom bonuses, which means they're exclusive to me. Having said that, do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of Xena, because of course you can always come back to this page, back to this YouTube video, when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are way more congruent than those being offered from anyone else. Okay, so let's have a quick look at the sales page for Xena. You're one click away from generating a hurricane of hungry buyer leads. The software provided uses a loophole to piggyback on one of the world's biggest websites, netting us $214 a day. 100% free traffic, runs on autopilot, siphons free traffic from one of the world's largest websites. I told you which one it is. No list, no video, no paid ads, no product creation. Newbie friendly and a one-click setup. You can start getting results as early as today. Now this has got a $17 price point. If you do move your cursor as if you're going to leave the page, you will get a drop-down coupon for a discount. I think it's $5, so it's either $3 or $5 off the price anyway. We'll have a look inside the members area. There are the Digital Dames, all looking pretty cool, and we'll also have a look at the funnel details as well. Okay, so let's press on and deal with these bonuses quickly. So when you click on the link underneath, you'll come through to this page here. This video will be in here. What's Xena all about? We've already been through that, and there is the sales video. There's Paula, one of the Digital Dames. What am I going to throw in? Well, a lot of stuff that's related to the core subject matter here, obviously, which is Facebook. So I'm going to show you how you can earn $100 a day using completely free Facebook traffic. Also going to give you what in my opinion is one of the best, prior to this one of the best Facebook courses out there. That is Effortless Facebook Profits by Art Flair. Definitively good course. Also going to show you, if you do want to use paid advertising on Facebook, and obviously you don't have to for the Xena method to work at all, but if you do want to use Facebook advertising for your own marketing purposes and to understand how it works and how to do it the right way, because it's very easy to do it the wrong way and lose a lot of money, then this will show you how you can become an expert in 1 hour. And if you specifically want to use Facebook for e-commerce marketing, I'm going to show you how to do that as well. Also going to give you, for those that prefer to absorb information in printed format rather than in videos, I know most of us like video training, but there are quite a few of us still that prefer old school written details. So a couple of products here for you: Facebook Live Handbook and also Ninja Facebook Advertising and Retargeting Tactics. I'm going to show you, if it's leads rather than sales you're after, I'm going to show you how you can get 200 leads a day using completely free Facebook traffic. Also going to show you a case study of how Brendan Mace made $2,000 in 20 minutes, literally, with Facebook groups. Something not directly related to this, but I'm going to show you how you can set up a winning sales funnel. This was an example of a particular sales funnel that made $1 million. And finally, a more general social media masterclass, and of course you'll get all the vendor bonuses that the Dames are giving away. So I hope you can see a set of congruent bonuses there, folks. I'm not going to spend too much time on the sales page. There's some income proofs and some testimonials here from some people that you may well have heard of. and you can obviously have a look at the sales page at your own leisure. It is quite a lengthy sales page, so do take the time to go through it. All we want to do here really is just have a quick look at the vendor bonuses. And here we are. So Action Taker bonus 1, how marketers can reach up to a 2.14 billion audience. This will explode your profits. Action Taker bonus 2, how to multiply your results with over-the-shoulder tutorials. Action Taker bonus 3, how to turn 45 minutes a day into a 10k monthly income. And Action Taker bonus number 4, a $337 a day loophole never seen before. And as I said, front end price is $17, but you can use that discount coupon, and there is a 30-day money back guarantee. So let's have a look inside the members area at Xena. Just bear with me a second, my browser's playing up a little bit. There we are. So there are the dames. So a little bit of background information on Facebook, and why you should be using it. You probably already know that, but how to set up specifically the type of Facebook account that we're going to use with the Xena method. And then we're going to get into the traffic software. This is going to be the traffic software that does all the work for you. And again, I'm going to talk you through how to install it. Works on Mac or Windows, so it doesn't matter which system you've got. And then there's loads and loads of additional training down here, and case studies walking you through everything step by step. There's absolutely loads of training in here, folks. This is an exceptional course, exceptional value for money, and as I said, most of this stuff's completely done for you. So that's your front end for 17. Your first upsell is 37. That's the Pro, the Traffic Pro Unlimited. You can supercharge Xena. You can remove all the limits that come with the front end and create a hurricane of unlimited free buyer traffic to your done for you high converting campaigns. That's $37. $47 is done for you profit on tap. Not capturing your leads is like putting money into a pocket with holes. Easily 100 times your results with no extra effort using our fine-tuned and optimized lead magnet. Get profit on tap with our attention grabbing done for you email sequence. Upgrade number 4, $97. VIP treatment by the digital dames. Enjoy a luxury experience as we unravel and unveil our expertise directly to you. Upsell number 4, $197. You can access done for you high ticket commissions. Turn the traffic you generate with Xena into 4-figure paydays. And upsell number 5, reseller rights, $67. Reseller rights to not just this, but 3 products in total. Good value sales funnel there, folks. All of that is pretty valuable. So have a look and pick and choose what you fancy. But I particularly recommend that everyone should pick up the Pro version. And that's pretty much it, folks. If you want to pick this up and get all of these bonuses from me, all you have to do is click any of these green buttons. That will take you through to the sales page. Click on the button there when the cart opens, and then after you've purchased, you'll go to Warrior Plus receipt area, where you click on the green button to access Xena and click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses. Long time since we've had a Facebook course of this quality come out, and also the first time ever, I think, that we've had one that includes a software that does pretty much everything for you. So what's not to like, really, folks? I'm going to give this 5 stars out of 5 on my Elite Tigers Group rating. And with that said, all that remains is for me to thank you as ever for watching and listening to this review. If you've enjoyed it, do please click on the subscribe button underneath and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click on that bell icon so that you get informed every time I bring out a new recording. And until then, this has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Xena.